So many records in the Bible show that God created money for human beings to make use of. Ecclesiastes chapter 10, verse 19 said that money answereth all things. Ecclesiastes 7, verse 12 says that wisdom is a defense, and money is also a defense. But can I tell you something? Money without wisdom is equal to foolishness. Money without wisdom will end up in destruction. And the Bible made us to know that Jesus Christ is the wisdom of God, the power of God, the wisdom of God. 1 Corinthians chapter 1 verse 24. You see, I make this video to let you know that if you are rich today, you're a millionaire, you're a billionaire, don't forget that it is God that giveth money. Deuteronomy chapter 8 verse 18 says you should remember that it is the Lord thy God that giveth thee power to make wealth. What do you use with the money you have? What do you make use of? The money God has given to you. How do you use it? How do you make use of it? Have you allowed the money to influence you negatively? Have you allowed the money to make you arrogant? You look down on the people that helped you when you had nothing. You look down on the woman that helped you, that was your wife, when you had nothing. You push her away because you feel that now you've arrived. You know, I knew a man years ago. This man had a wife, had children, but he married that wife when he had no money. In fact, his father supported him in marrying that woman. And it came to pass that when he felt he had grown, he had begun to make money, and he rose up one day and told the wife that he was going to marry a second wife. Why? He said the first wife, the present wife that he had as at then, was married by his dad. Now that he has grown up, he has become a man, he's going to use his money to marry his own wife. That was how that man pushed away the woman that labored with him, the children he had. He put his family in disarray and went and married another woman because of the influence of money. Don't allow money to influence you negatively. Remember, it is the Lord, your God, our God, that giveth thee power to make wealth. Please do like and share, subscribe to this channel. God bless you.